Beneath the frozen silence of the Arctic, a giant glides through the depths, unseen, unheard. This isn't just a submarine. This is the K-329 Belgorod, the largest and possibly most dangerous submarine Russia has ever built. Measuring 184 meters long, longer than two Boeing 747s, Belgorod dwarfs nearly every submarine ever built. But it's not just its size that's intimidating. Hidden inside Belgorod is a nightmare weapon, the Poseidon nuclear torpedo, a 24-meter-long autonomous underwater drone capable of traveling thousands of kilometers and carrying a 2-megaton nuclear warhead. Poseidon isn't designed to strike military targets. It's designed to wipe out entire coastal cities, flooding them with radioactive water and leaving them uninhabitable for generations. And that's not all. Belgorod is also believed to be an espionage platform, capable of tapping undersea internet cables, deploying drones, and placing secret sensors on the ocean floor. Could one of these subs already be patrolling near your coast? Its range is nearly unlimited, and it can stay submerged for months without detection. No wonder NATO has called Belgorod a strategic game-changer. A new era of undersea warfare has begun, one where detection may come after the detonation. But here's the big question. Is Belgorod meant to be used? Or is it just a psychological weapon, a floating ghost to haunt the strategies of the West? One thing is certain. It's silent, it's powerful, and it's already at sea. So, is this the most dangerous submarine ever built by Russia? If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and let us know. What's your biggest fear about underwater warfare?